Cash has a serious beef with the mail truck. Cash, did that bother you? Cash was off his rocker. He was so mad. Chocolate milk, chocolate milk, chocolate milk, chocolate milk. I'm having one of those days where I want to lay waste to the entire human population. It's not a good day. Then we have things like a puppy line. Hi, puppies. They're not actually puppies, but they're little and cute, and that's good enough for me. This is little one, and this is bigger little one. Oh, look at the proud little boy. You're proud, Cash. Look at his tail wagging. He's so happy. He likes to be home. He doesn't like it out of the cabin. Cash is a city dog. Aren't you? And then there's Harley. Cash we got when he was a little boy. I remember when we went to get Cash. He was so tiny. He was really the runt of the litter. Cash's kennel was way too big for him when we first got him. We had to put a pillow in it to divide it in half. He was so cute as a little puppy. He's still cute now. He's still the runt. Harley was abandoned in the mud by his owners when they moved. And he's the sweetest puppy. Harley's got a lot of quirks to him. Harley's freaked out by a lot of things. He starts randomly barking at certain things. We're not absolutely certain why. He deserves all the love in the world. Don't you, Harley? Harley thinks so, don't you, Harley? And then there's Cash. He's just the prince, the golden boy. Nana and Opa named him Cash Flow. Because, of course, Opa realized that he would be paying for this dog for the rest of its life. So he is Cash Flow. But we just call him Cash. Oh, Cash, you are adorable. Look at that little face with that little tongue. Okay, I chased my squirrel. I'm done for the day. Aww. Did you get it, Cash? Did you get it?